Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping immediately. Put on your respirator, goggles, and gloves and open windows. Next, strain paint through a 60 mesh filter to remove lumps, thinner only as manufacturer allows. Connect the suction hose, set the pressure low, and engage prime mode until paint flows cleanly through the return into the bucket. Once the pump is primed, switch to spray mode at low pressure and test on cardboard. This confirms feed and prevents clogs before you move on. You should stand steady, hold the gun perpendicular, and keep the tip 12 to 18 inches from the surface. This gives even atomization and reduces runs. Move at a consistent pace, overlapping each pass by roughly 50% so coats blend. If you need more coverage but see orange peel, lower pressure slightly. If you get spatter, increase it a bit. Use an extension wand for ceilings and high walls, and release trigger between passes to avoid buildup at start. You finish by applying a light backroll where brush marks matter, then stop spraying and relieve pressure before disassembly. Flush the sprayer with recommended solvent until the return runs clear. Pump solvent through filter and tip, then store parts dry. If you see sputtering or faint streaks, make sure the tip isn't worn, the filter and inlet are clear, and hoses are tight. One tip: replace a worn tip early. Worn tips double coverage and wreck finish quality, so swap as soon as atomization changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.